yan?
May video ba yan?
Subscribe for more videos. Hope you like it, our video. Ang batang nagtatampo kasi pinatay yung TV. Gusto niya buksan yung TV. Magagalit mami niya. Oh, magagalit mami niya pag nag-watch siya ng TV while eating. After eating, you gonna watch. Okay? Okay, boss madam? Hi! Like our video. Subscribe for more contents of Yaya and Boss Madam. No, later. Later magwa-watch ng TV after eating, okay? Pero while eating, no! 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 Bawal! Papagalitan tayo ni Mami. Okay? Nagagalit si Mami. Magagalit si Mami when watching TV while eating. So you have to finish. Sama ng loob. Bye. Like and subscribe for more videos. Later.